Hey guys, my name is Jeremy. I'm a software engineer. I live in Southern California currently. I'm going to take you through a demo of a full stack JavaScript app I've been working on. It is a live streaming social media pornography app. And so it's got live streaming, private messaging, group messaging, uh, private streams, group streams, comments, etc. So um, it's full stack JavaScript. So it's Express for the server, MongoDB for the database, React and Redux for the client side, the UI, and Node on the back end, and quite a few other technologies. So WebSockets, GraphQL, stuff like that. So we're gonna just go ahead and jump right in. I'm gonna refresh this page. So this will be about a 15-minute video, 20-minute video, but you can just skip through to the good parts if you want to. The boring part is kind of in the beginning. So I'm going to create a password. So basically, a user goes here, they sign up through this process right here. I've already registered this email, so I'll just use a different email. We use email, password, and username will be email101. We'll do a secret question, and you choose your birth date. So I'm just going to choose any date, and you choose a profile photo uh, for your profile, obviously, because it's a profile photo, and your gender. So what you do is you fill these out. We'll get a confirmation once we sign up. So we'll give it a second here. Confirmation right there. Okay, redirects us. Now we're going to sign in. Email. That gave us another request saying the email was already taken because the fact that I hit it twice, the button, so it registered the same email twice. So I'm going to have a verification email, a text here shortly. Let's see. We should get a text message. Let me see. Okay, here we go. So I got a code on my phone. It is 8B037. I used a service called Nexmo, and it's a service provider that it takes backend technologies and allows you to send text messages. So once we verify, we're in. So I'm going to show you the profiles. There's restricted content depending on how much. If you're a camera or if you're not a camera, you'll see different content. So we'll go to this user. They have skills, rating skills, and you can visit the profile. This is the profile. It's pretty cool. You can send private messages. So if we say, hi there, private message, and then the title to the stream. So we'll just say title to stream, and we'll send this message. So now if we check our messages, our inbox, we should have a message there. There we go. Hi there, private message. You can also respond. You can respond with emojis. You can start subthreads. So we could pop another subthread here. All sorts of stuff. So it's a blockchain application. So it's completely on the blockchain network, cryptocurrency. I developed my own currency, and I basically every token that you use on my platform for tipping, you use on the blockchain network. Like this is the blockchain currently. So you can click these. You can view the transactions, the last hash, the current hash, uh, stuff like that, the amount, everything that you need to know about your blockchain network. So this is the actual blockchain right here, though. This is your wallet. So we're gonna purchase some tokens. So we're gonna purchase, say, we'll purchase 200 tokens, and we're gonna go click this. It's gonna redirect us to PayPal. PayPal accepts the payment, and it'll redirect us back. This is the sandbox mode, so I'm gonna use my test account. Um, so we'll give it a second here. It'll process $200 if you see right there. So it's $1 per token. That may adjust down the road, but that's going to stick for now. So it processes, and it'll send us back to our thank you page, and it will, there we go, there's a thank you page. Now we have, if you see the top right corner, 235 tokens. We have a chat as well for support. So we're going to return to the home page. We're going to start a stream now. So we're going to sign up to become a camera. You read the conditions, accept the terms and conditions, sign your first name, your last name, gender, and a birth date. I'm just going to click a random date, your first, middle, and last, and continue. So then you upload a picture of yourself and your ID, so to verify age and authenticity, authentic, yeah, that. So we're gonna do that now, and now you have your profile and you have your tip rates. So each streamer has their tip rates, and those tip rates basically allow them to tell people how much they're willing to do whatever for. So we'll just fill out some dummy information here. We'll just say couples, hair, blonde, blue eyes, nickname Blue Eye 101, and we'll skip that because English. We'll say slim. So you basically fill out the form. This is your profile. This is your public profile, so everyone sees this. So this is actually quite. It's very important to have accurate information on this. But I'm just yeah. Also, so I'm gonna take a generator for text, so it looks more full. So I'm gonna take lorem ipsum, and I'm gonna just take this, and we are gonna paste that into our bio. And you can also select if you want to hook up with locals or not. So we can do any address, and it shows you the addresses near you. So we're going to say no to that, actually. We're not going to sign up for that. And we're going to choose our public profile photo. So we'll do this one. And you upload your profile. It also is wired up to a Lovense vibrator. So you can control the vibration of the sex toy through tips. So the users can actually control the tips or the vibration of the camera through the tips. So this is their tip amount. So say 100 gets like a flash, and then you have say like 500 is butt show. Just ignore it. This is just all dummy data. I'm just trying to demonstrate. Say 1,000 control me, and that'll be good enough for now. So we're gonna add this to the database. Now that's on our profile, so we're good. We're going to start a private stream now. Now that we've registered, we'll have more options here. So we're going to click cameras and content. And there we are right there, email 101. So if we click our profile, now we can see here's our information, Blue Eye 101. If you guys saw that earlier, you can drop comments. So drop comment. There's sub comments. I got to work on this a little bit further, but you have to reload the page for now. It's still somewhat real time, but you got to reload the page. So there's our comment. You can reply to a comment, reply. I'm also looking for streamers and cammers for this. So if you guys are cammers, drop a message in my inbox. We'll work something out where you get 80, 90% commission initially for about a month. You also have videos on the profile. So we'll go back to cameras and we'll click videos. So you have a gallery. So users can post photos, and you can actually go into the gallery. You can post comments. So post. This actually updates live, which is good. See post. So basically, it's just title, subdescription, subtitle, and description, and image. So it's kind of like Instagram or OnlyFans. You got videos that you can actually. This user doesn't have any videos, it looks like. So I'll show you that on another user, and then we'll start a live stream, and that's where actually things get good. That's where it gets really cool. So, as you can see, this user has 3 videos. If we click this, we can actually view the video.
You should definitely
These
get
are
on
old
Adderall
previous
to be
live
boosted.
streams. So this one was only 4 minutes long. So we're going to create a live stream now. As you can see, actually up here, there's more options now because we're a camera. So we can connect our vibrator. We can start a public stream, a private stream. We can view all streams. We're going to start a public stream. So I'm going to go title, subtitle, and then choose one of each. And then a description. And you start your stream. It's going to give you this key. So we'll take this key, we'll go to our streaming software, we'll go to settings, and we'll go to stream, and we'll paste our key. So that's what links us up to the API that is streaming. So it tells where and who to stream to. So we'll start streaming. I believe I can do both of these at the same time, I hope. Record and stream, and it looks like I can. So we're going to give this about 5 seconds to load and populate on the server, and then we'll be good, and the stream will be live. So I will show you guys here momentarily. This will be live within 3 months. So if you're not a streamer or camera, if you're a user, just stay tuned. I'll have updates. So we'll click this, and here's our stream. So if you're signed in, I'm going to pause that. If you're signed in as the user that is streaming, you can end the stream only if you're the user that's signed in. We have group chat, so I'll do chat, so everyone can chat in here. You can also respond, same principle as private messaging. So there's our video. It actually pops to the bottom right corner if you see down here. 5 seconds to load and populate, so it plays and everything. This is the tip record, so all tips will go here. I will show you that in a second. This is your tip chart, so you can see how much you tip to get what. You got your bio, your about me, just your profile pretty much. So we're going to sign out and we're going to sign in as another user and actually show you the cool stuff. This is what it looks like on the home page. Hey buddy, what are you doing? No. So this is where all the streams display. There's 20 per line and they display just like this. So these are just test, it's placeholder content for now, but these are all sliders and they're all just different genres. So if we click that, it'll take us to the stream. I don't want that though, actually, and there seem to be, let's see, let me reload this because I want to sign in as another user so that I can actually tip. So what we'll do here, I got an error. It's not typical, so I got to figure out where that came from. That's not a good sign. We're going to sign in as another user that I have already existing. So we'll sign in. 1 sec, sweetie. 1 sec. Oh, 1 second. No. So we're going to sign in. No. 1 second. I'm going to sign in as another user. So once again, it sends a text message to verify the user. So I'm going to wait for that. And you guys can see right here, I'm getting my messages. If you can see that, I'm not sure. But so the code is 8130E1D. So we're going to sign in. All right, now we're in. So I need to purchase tokens actually so that we can tip appropriately and I can show you guys some of the features. So I'm going to purchase 3,000 tokens. We'll go to the next page. This is loading a little bit slow. Okay, we're good. So I'm going to purchase these tokens. Hey, Julie, I'm almost done, so there's about probably 5 more minutes. Guys, there's only about 5 more minutes left, 4 more minutes. And so if you're interested, just keep watching. So basically, same principle, PayPal, you purchase your tokens. So each one's $1 at the current moment. Once again, this is on the blockchain network, so this is completely cryptocurrency. So now we have 3,600 of the Gemshire, which is my currency name. So we're going to go to the live stream. This is when it gets cool. This is the cool part. So if you click here, now we can tip. We can start a private stream. We can start a private stream or we can tip. So I'm going to pause this. So if you tip, WebSockets basically sends a signal to all users so they all hear the audio clip. They'll hear this audio clip right here. That right there, they'll hear. The Lovense vibrator is not actually connected, so it's not, I get that error on the bottom. But so let me connect that. 1 sec, guys. Every tip amount has a different audio clip, and with that audio clip comes a different amount of time that the vibrator vibrates. And so it goes like 3 seconds, 5, 10, 20, 30, 60 seconds. So every tip affects the vibrator as well. So I'm going to connect this. We're disconnected right now. We're going to connect. It's connecting currently. Bear with me, guys. Sorry, 1 sec. So it looks like it's giving me some trouble. We'll give that a second. So I want to show you the different tip amounts. So if we tip 55, we also get another sound. So we get that sound. If we tip 2005, over 2,000 tokens, we get confetti as well. Keep in mind, this is on everyone's screen. So it makes the user want to tip because everyone gets this effect. So if we tip, we have confetti. And the confetti goes down the screen for about 10 seconds on everyone's screen through WebSockets, and then it'll disappear. The vibrator will actually vibrate for another 60 seconds when you tip 2,000 tokens. 2,000 tokens is roughly equivalent to about $200, but it's pretty common. So see, as you can see here, the vibrator is still vibrating. We have our tip record on who's tipped and what. So the username and the token amount. And so if I say a hi, see we have a different user. We're signed in as this user now. So we have Email 101 as the last user that created the stream, but this is this user. This is real time live, so people do not have to update their messages, their browser to see the recent messages. And that's most of it. So you can also find locals and hook up with locals. So if this is what I was talking about earlier when you sign up to be a camera, you can also find locals in your area that are willing to meet up and have sex for free. So there's no fee associated besides the subscription fee, which is this fee right here. This is how you sign up for the subscription. So it's $50 a month to find locals to mess around with. But yeah, this is it's pretty much it. Takes you to the profile, so you can message them from there and do whatever else. You can update your profile photo, your cover photo. So if I'm signed in to my user that signed in, so I'm signed in as that Lafto. So if I go here and I view model, I can actually upload a profile photo. So if I wanted to, I could click this and I could upload something else. And then you also can change your profile photo. And this is how you upload a photo to your feed. So if we go back, I'll show you the gallery. So we're signed in as this user. Here's our gallery. We only have 3 photos. You have to subscribe to each user. So this content will be hidden unless you're subscribed to the user, kind of like OnlyFans. So we're going to upload a photo. We'll say, hi there, welcome, thanks for watching, and a description, hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll choose an image, and we'll just do something very simple, something obvious, that car, and we'll upload this, and 1 second, it'll clear all the fields, and we'll be good to go. And I'll show you that update. So it gives us a confirmation, clears the fields. If we go back to our streaming profile now, we go back here, and we go here, and we go to gallery, and there's our photo right there. Hi there. And we have our comments, so comment. There's our comment. And there's our title, subtitle, and description. No, sweetie, no, sweetie. No, 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 no. And yeah, that's about it. So thanks for watching, guys. There's also friends requests, so you can add friends and send friend requests and whatnot. It's going to be much more elaborate, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for your time, and stay tuned if you want to be a part of this platform. Thanks.